In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage terms in QuickBooks. This is a fundamental skill if you're looking to streamline your business operations and ensure that your financial transactions flow smoothly. Let's get started, shall we? First, you need to visit the QuickBooks website. That's your main hub for handling everything related to your financial needs. Once you're on the QuickBooks homepage, you'll want to look for the settings. This can usually be found at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options that allow you to customize your QuickBooks experience. After you've clicked on the settings, the next step is to select All Lists. This is your access point to various lists that QuickBooks uses to keep your business data organized and easily accessible. Among these lists, you'll find Terms, which is what we'll be focusing on today. This is where you manage payment terms that directly affect your invoicing and accounts receivable processes. Let's proceed by clicking on Terms. Once you do that, you'll see a button labeled New. This is where you can create a new set of payment terms to better reflect the agreements you have with your clients. Click on this New button to start customizing your terms. When you create new terms, you'll start by naming them. The name should be something clear and descriptive so that you and your team can easily understand its purpose when applying it to invoices or bills. Once you've settled on a meaningful name, you can proceed to save your new term. There should be a Save button within the same section where you entered the name for your new terms. And just like that, you've added a new set of terms to help streamline the way you handle payments. Remember, properly managing your terms is crucial as it helps set clear expectations with your clients regarding when you expect payments, and it can play a big role in maintaining your cash flow. Before we wrap up, let me offer you a few additional tips. Whenever creating new terms, consider factors such as typical payment periods in your industry or past experiences with specific clients. Customizing the terms to fit these insights can prevent future payment delays. Also, make reviewing your terms periodically a habit. As your business evolves, your payment terms might need adjustments to better align with your operational strategies and financial goals. That's it for today's guide on creating and managing terms in QuickBooks. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it empowers you to effectively utilize the robust features QuickBooks has to offer. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your business processes with technology. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.